We searched how to buy shares of Nuvectis Pharma Inc. to demonstrate the practical steps for NVCT, a biopharma company listed on NASDAQ. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker NVCT to find Nuvectis Pharma Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and the NVCT NASDAQ ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. Once the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform further.